Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we will try to learn about how we can make latch and latch program in LS PLC. Which model I am using, that's XEC-DR60SU. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software. When you write XG5000, that's application will be open. Click it on the yes, and after your software will be opened. As this window will appear, after just you have to go to the project and click it on the new project, and here you have to give your project name, which program you like to make. An example, I am making latch and latch program, LTCH latch and LTCH latch. So also description you can give it here in the project description, otherwise like to leave it and click it OK. Now your new program is now window is open. Here this is ladder window. You can write it program here inside. It's very simple and easy method. This side is look like your this vertical line is your 24 volts, and this is your minus voltage, and inside this area you can create the project. So first of all, we have to take the one bit which is says push button, or any you can say this is your input signal. An example, I am using this internal memory, so I will type just here first the sign percentage, and after you have to type x0 dot mx, sorry, first you have to type m, next x 0 dot 0, or you just only if like to type just here m0, also it will be automatically type this is mx0, means internal memory. Here also he is shown downside device percentage mx0, means this is internal memory first bit m0. I'm physical address is not using. If you like to use the physical address, also you can type it here just x0, after this is first bit will be written. And next we have to take the close contact. This is F4, press after, also you can select, otherwise you can type it here internal memory, for example m1. When you type, it will be select automatically x1, and next you have to take the output. This is you can take from the F9 press, also can be take, and also here you can press, you can write, and here just only you have to write Q, because of this is the output. You have to write the QX1, this is the first bit of our PLC, and next we have to take it here open contact of the, this is Q1, means here when you write it here QX1, this is the open contact, and click enter, and after this line you have to make the vertical, this line take it from F6, sorry, and you can select it here and here connect. Now just your latch and latch program is ready. Now step is you have to download this program. Just go to the online. First you have to connect your PLC, your all parameters. If you set it first, that's okay. Just only when you click connect, it will connect. Otherwise you like to if not connecting, you can make it connection setting. When you connecting a connection setting, which type of your cable you have, a RS232 cable, you can select the RS232 cable. Otherwise you can select the USB. If you have a USB cable, in LS PLCs have a 3 4, this is look like all ports, any communication you can use. I am using this USB type, so I click it on the USB. So next you have to be write the program. Here in this window you can see this is the change mode, read mode, and this is the write mode. Now which program we will make this in program, we have to be now write. So just click it on the right, click it OK, and put it in the stop mode, and your program will be start downloading. As this will be completed, now you have to be start your PLC to in run mode. He is asking this message, change to run mode. Click it on yes, and now you can see in the downside is PLC is showing running mode is OK, and this tab bar is green. So now we have to be test our program. Go to the monitor section, and here you can click the start monitoring. Now this window will be little go dark. After you can see this is buttons also shown highlight, means our program is now monitoring. So just this is right click it on the M1. This is the change current value. Here you can click. Just click and click it OK, and your output will be energized. You can see our output is now on, and maybe I again click it this one, but you can see our input is now off, but our output is on. This program look like says latch and latch program, and when you like to be stop this execution, you can again click it at the M1, and your output will be off. Right, again click it on the OK, and this will be on. Because of we are using this internal memory, when you're using this is must be one click on and second click have to be off. If you're using the physical addresses of the PLC, you can use X0, X1, X2, X3. Otherwise, if you like to make the internal memory using, you can use this M0, M1, M2, M3 up to many release. So hope guys you will be understand about this is latch and latch program, how we can create. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.